Hello, I'm Dr. Lundstrom with HearCare Audiology, and this video is going to show you how to connect your Oticon hearing devices to your Apple phone. For more information on any of the steps in this video, please contact our office. We're happy to sit down and go over this with you in person. Our number is 941-316-0406. So let's start by having the hearing devices turned off, either battery doors open or devices in the charger. We're going to go to our settings and we're going to scroll down to accessibility and then hearing devices. Now we're going to turn the hearing aids on either by closing the battery doors or taking the hearing aids out of the charger. Once the hearing devices turn on, you should see your name and the symbols R+L appear on the screen. It should say not connected. We're going to click that and it should ask you to pair. Paired, you can see the hearing device name, battery life, our streaming settings, our volume control, and any program settings we would have. Now you've paired your hearing devices to your Bluetooth phone. The next step is to download our applications. We're going to go to the App Store. We're going to type in Oticon, O-T-I-C-O-N. The first app that we'll download is Oticon On. This is essentially your remote control application. Once you download the application, you can click Open. Again, your hearing devices are on. You may need to restart them. You can see on the screen it says I have successfully paired the hearing devices, so I'm going to continue. The primary screen that you will see once you have paired the hearing devices is the remote control page. You can see volume control and program options. You also have the hearing aids page that shows you your battery life, and the best feature is the Find My Hearing Aids. You can see this gives you a GPS pin. Both my right and left hearing device are on at HearCare Audiology Center. And you can see at the top that they are very near to me as they're right next to the phone. If they were further away, you would see that on the screen. This is especially helpful if you misplace your hearing devices and need help finding them. On the home screen, you'll have a few other features. Hearing fitness and Internet of Things for additional accessories, settings, and your virtual hearing guide. Now that you're paired to your phone and the Oticon On application, we're going to download the Remote Care app. Let's return to our App Store. Just like before, we're going to search for Oticon, and there's Remote Care. Let's open the Remote Care. You'll be asked to either create an account or sign in. So I'm going to sign in here. You can create an account by using your email and a password. Once you've created an account or sign in, you can see it has my information logged in. When it's time for my appointment, I would click on My Appointment. This is a prearranged time that you would meet with your provider virtually. It's going to ask to connect the hearing aids. Now the hearing aids have been connected, and I'll ask to start the appointment. You can see it says wait for your audiologist to join. Do not leave the application while you're connected to this app. It will disconnect the hearing devices. As soon as your audiologist is ready, she'll join the app and you'll see them appear on your screen. It's fairly simple. When you're completed your appointment, you can close out. And you're all done.